Next, I'd like to talk to you about encouraging user interaction. Basically, this means that you want to encourage and reward the people that come to your blog and actually participate with you. So, of course, I don't know about you, but if I go somewhere and, it's one thing just to read something, but if you actually feel that the author of the content is interacting with you, answering your questions, talking to you, it entices people to participate more, and then, of course, bring their friends and come back and visit again, which is what this is all about anyway. So there's a couple different things we can do, one of which, of course, is by paying attention, encouraging people to leave comments. You could make a post, and then in that post say something like, "What do you think about this? I'd love to hear your thoughts." And then, of course, when people comment on it, you want to make sure that you are reading the comments and then answering them as well. And this means, going in and reading and giving a thoughtful response to what they wrote. This will show these people that when they comment, you actually care about what they have to say too, and that's a pretty cool thing. I would also encourage you to follow the people too. If they leave a link to their website, as long as they left a meaningful comment, just me, but I would leave it there. And I also like to visit other people's blogs and make comments on theirs as well, because it's kind of a two-way street thing, and if people see that, then chances are they're going to be more active on your blog as well. So, doing these things, it does take time, but a little can go a long way. Keep in mind that a very, very small percentage of people will actually make a comment, so these people that do are the people that you want to take care of, and you want to make sure that you reward them. Now, in the next video, we're going to talk about a couple different neat ways that we can do that with plugins.